full of swirling winds, a mountain of howling shadows, and finally the Whistler, guarded by her minions. With time of the essence, the sisters hurried into the lush green of the jungle. The leaves rustled above as if encouraging them on their brave adventure. Soon they approached the first challenge, an enormous river bubbling with bright colors, long twisting vines dancing in the water, attempting to trap any who dared come too close. Ayla took a deep breath. I can control the winds. Let me create a storm to part the winds. Raising her arms, she summoned a gentle breeze that quickly accelerated into a powerful gust. The water churned as the winds bent away, revealing a safe path across the river. Go, Ayla, lead the way, Amelia exclaimed, her eyes shining with pride of her sister. Once they crossed the river, the sisters found themselves before a towering mountain shrouded in swirling shadows. The air buzzed with whispers, each